Smells yummy? That's right, it's orange juice.
Orange juice.
So, what do you think? Do you think the Coca-Cola, is it going to eat the eggshell?
Yeah.
Maybe. Is the water going to eat the eggshell? The water will eat the eggshell? What about the orange juice? Will it eat the eggshell? And the vinegar?
No.
If you look very close, you can see little bubbles. So now, look, this one has bubbles as well. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Okay, and now we have to wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, it's too long. We have to wait until tomorrow. Tomorrow, okay? So I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it in the kitchen. So, what do you think is under here? Orange, juice, Coca-Cola water. What do you think this one is?
Coca-Cola.
Okay, let's look. Ready? 1, 2. Oh! That's a Coca-Cola, yeah? Look at it. Better. Ooh. Look, what color is the egg? Brown. It was white. It was white, and now it's turned brown. But did the liquid eat the shell? Let's see. Tap, tap. Tap, tap. All right, let's see. Let's see. Did it change the color on the inside? Let's break it open and see, yes? Let's look inside. Is it the same color? Yeah, it was the same color. It was the same color.
Yellow.
Okay, so that's Coca-Cola. 1, 2. That's right, it's orange juice. Okay? Have a look, have a look. Have a look, have a look. It's different. If you touch it, I think,
No, don't touch.
here, Tima, touch the egg. I think the acid in the orange juice, I think it ate some of the shell. Gently, gently. Should we break it open and see what's inside? Are you ready? Oh, it's cracked. There's a crack. There's a little. Okay, so I'm just gonna crack. Let's look inside. Is it the same color? Yeah. Okay, okay. What is it, water or a bit? Tap, tap, little tap. Tap, tap. Tap, tap. Not too hard, not too hard. Tap, tap. Tap, tap. Tap, tap. Let's break it open and look, yes? Whoa, oh. Opa. Oh, I forgot to have a drink. No. Okay, finally. 1, 2, 3. Wow, look. What's on top here?
Water.
You see some bubbles and some foam. Wow, look. So, a little bit, tap a little bit. It's very soft, yes? Just a little, just a little.
Wow.
It's like jelly, yeah?
Yeah.
Just a little, just a little. It's very soft, just a little. Tap, tap, just a little. Tap, tap, No, okay. So you see the vinegar ate most of the shell, and all you have now is a little bit of skin left. Should we break it open?
Yeah.
Ready? Oh, I'm just gonna. Oh, I'm so scared. Look, it's so. All right. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Ready? Ready? Oh! Oh! What a mess. Okay. All right, everyone. Let's go wash our hands, and I'm gonna wash this table. Okay? Let's go.